Just ask me to read the tribute.
Okay.
Read the case.
I've been asked just to go, because of time, I'll just read Mzee Moi's tribute. Condolence for Honorable Joyce Cherono Laboso. I learned of the death of Honorable Joyce Cherono Laboso with sadness and a great sense of loss. I knew of Joyce since our childhood. As her parents, my acquaintances were influential in the areas of farming, business, and community leadership in the then Greater Kericho. Later in life, I appreciated her academic brilliance and the contribution she made as a teacher and lecturer. The news of her death reverberated across the country, occasioning an outpouring of grief from every sector of human endeavor. This was a clear testimony that Joyce had, in one way or another, touched the lives of many. Her life was evidently remarkable and stood out like a beacon on a hill. As a teacher and lecturer, she mentored many, transforming lives across the country and beyond. Her charisma, resilience, and willingness to sacrifice for the betterment of humankind attracted the approval of our community, who gave her a chance to serve them as a member of parliament and governor. Joyce's election to serve as a deputy speaker in parliament was a clear proof that her popularity was not localized but universal. In her checkered career in the academia and politics, she pursued with single-minded determination whatever goals she set for herself. Joyce braved her sickness with rare stoicism. She continued to serve despite this crown. As I mourn this iconic lady, I pray to God to give her family, her friends, and the people of Bomet County the necessary fortitude to bear the loss. Daniel Arap Moi. As I go to sit down, I too like to give my condolences to the family and to the people of Bomet, to saying Pole Pole. There is one thing only which I observe.